Hi, everyone. I'm Rebecca Roseberry of Pure Nutrition. If you are watching this video, thank you. The intention of this video is to just grab your attention for a few seconds and ask you if you still want to be a part of my newsletter. This video will be available on all my social media platforms and my mailing list, my email list. And the purpose is to just do some spring cleaning and see where you're at. Do you have an email address that you prefer for me to use? Do you still want to be in contact with me? How would you prefer that we stay in touch? All of those things, just want to get a feel for where you guys are at. Um, do you like the content that I'm putting out? What would you like to see, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm just saying hi. Some of you I haven't seen for a very, very long time or heard from you in a very, very long time. And this is just me saying hello and hello again and hope that we can move forward. Um, I started a Telegram page. Telegram is another social media platform, and I'm looking to move out of Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you haven't noticed, I don't care for any of these platforms. I find them to be out of integrity, cheap, dirty. What's the word? I don't know, but I don't want to be associated with these platforms. But Telegram, I feel good about. So I am inviting you to meet me over at the Telegram page that I made and get started there. So just want to, again, moving forward, it's 2021 and I hope to see you there. And also, if you wouldn't mind, if I don't have an updated email or contact information from you, whether it be mailing address, telephone number, etc., I would love to update my database. Okay. Thank you all for your cooperation and have a lovely day.